Hey, it's Alexa. Welcome back to my channel. Come spend a few days in LA with me. Good morning, happy Saturday. I just got a Yeasty Boys bagel, which is a food truck here in LA. They're doing a collab with Nobody Wants This on Netflix, and they were handing out free bagels. So this is the one I got. It's avocado, egg, and cheese, and some type of sauce on it. And it looks really good. I love living in LA for that reason. There's always a pop-up or some type of event going on. Today there was an arts festival going on in Beverly Hills. So we just took a look at all of the different art pieces and afterwards walked around Rodeo Drive for a bit. Later that day, we went over to Universal Studios. We were going to the movies, and this is our favorite movie theater. They have the really nice lay-down seats. We saw Mission Impossible. It was very good. Afterwards, we decided to go to a restaurant in City Walk, and honestly, this was probably one of the worst restaurants I've ever been to. My boyfriend agreed. The food was just not good. So if you go to Universal, I would avoid this place. It was a very art-filled day. We finished our night by stopping at another art gallery. The next morning, I was attempting to take Leo out for his morning walk, and he gets in this weird mood where he just likes to be chased around the table while growling. I don't know if anyone else's dog does this, but he's a very strange dog. Outside? Come here. Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Come here. Come here. When I was finally able to wrangle Leo, we took him for a walk by the farmer's market. This is one of my favorite things to do on a Sunday morning. And then after that, we took a walk up on Sunset Boulevard. After all of his running around the table and a long walk, he took a little snooze, but there was a big surprise for him later because today was his birthday. Today is Leo's birthday. So we're gonna go get a puppuccino. Later that afternoon, we headed over to Hollywood to a rooftop pool party. It was so hot this day. It was very nice to be by a pool, and it was a really good time. The next day, we did something a little different. There was a DJ set on the Santa Monica Pier, which was a very unique experience. All of the DJs were really good, and I'm looking forward to the next one. That Sunday was the West Hollywood Pride Parade. We went and walked around that for a bit. Thank you so much for spending a few days in LA with me. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.